Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 26a, in which we will take words with standing fatha again, but with a special case. Ya after standing fatha is not read. For example, here, huda, you don't read it as hudai. No, that ya is not read. The ya after standing fatha. Well, this is for Indo-Pak prints only. Actually, ya is alif, and that's why it is written differently in Arab world prints. Anyway, huda and ala. Remember, no sign on ya, no sound. Huda, that's all. You don't read ya, kind of. So, can you repeat after me? Ila, ila, ala, ala. And also remember, the short form of such a ya has no dots below it. Otherwise, two dots are there. Here, there are no dots, as you see in the picture. So, let us take examples. Fahada, fahada, yara, yara, ya is here, ra is thick. Yara, yara, araka, araka, a is here, ra is thick, and then ka is thin. So, repeat after me in parts, in syllables. A, ra, ka, a, ra, ka, araka, araka. Don't say o, a, araka, araka. And here after ra, you have the short form of ya and you don't read that. Just like in hada, you have after da, you have ya, but you don't read it. Let's take the last one. Hadana, hadana. And here also you see the short form of ya after da, but you don't read it. That's in red color. You don't read it. Just like yara, after ra you have ya, but you don't read it. It is the short form. Hadana. You don't read ya there. Let's take some more examples. Isa, Isa, Musa, Musa alayhim assalam. Mikala, Mikala alayhi salam. Here also after ka, you have that small or short form of ya, small ya you can say, and it is in red color, but you don't read it. Banaha, banaha. And here also after na, you have that short ya and you don't read it. You may say, oh, maybe something is missing there. Nothing is missing. It is the short form of ya. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.